What's up, guys? This is your pre-market for this morning. I don't have time to do a live as I have an appointment this morning to get to, so I definitely wanted to get this recorded video out to you guys to kind of show you what I'm looking for in the markets. Is the Fed rally over? Is that all it was? Was just a bunch of hype with the Fed and blah, blah, blah? Like I said, the big players knew what was going to be said yesterday. They played it out perfectly. XRP even jumped in there with the news with the SEC. But anyways, let's take a look at the markets. So right now, as of the time of making this video, it is 8:30 a.m. We got an hour before the markets open. Dow futures are down 159, S&P's down 23, Nasdaq's down 105. Now, if we take a look at this pump seemed huge yesterday, right? I talked about that for the last few days. We got to pump up into the 200 moving average right here on the daily. And so far that's rejecting us. Now, if we zoom in here, take a look at it. Remember, this is the daily chart. We look at just this high here and this high here, we are making hidden bearish divergence with a higher high. Now, this could go up higher today. It could even go all the way up here, tag the 43,150 range, which would be the bottom of this channel that we broke down from, right? If that holds as a resistance, we continue down. But with the 200 MA here, there's a good possibility we come down to get to this 40,000 first. But we'll keep an eye on that. Obviously, whatever the markets do today, crypto is probably going to follow. But we're going to look at the crypto and look for some divergence in there also. But as you can see here, if we go from this high to this high, same thing, hidden bearish divergence, showing more downside coming. We did break out of the parabola, right? And this huge move for the S&P. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, same thing. We've had these targets here, watching for the bottom of this channel that we broke down from. If this holds as resistance, our next target down here at 16.5 for the Nasdaq. Now, as you guys know, with my trade, before we go into that, I posted yesterday my losses on the trade. We are still up for the last 3 weeks, about $90,000 up, even with our losses from yesterday. I did re-enter some shorts yesterday. I told you guys, and I'll show you why in the next chart when we look at Bitcoin, but I am 3 Bitcoin short again. So far we're up 3,300. My stops are at break even, a little more. So I'll get, even if I get stopped out, it's like a $200 profit. So I might be adding more depending on what happens, where we go. I will ladder in more shorts, but if you guys are interested in trading, check out Prime XBT. Down below, you can trade Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, crypto, all from one exchange, and you can use your crypto to trade against the markets. Use my link down below and you get up to a $7,000 bonus. There's also a tutorial down there right next to it. Same thing with BitUnix. If you are trading mostly crypto and you don't want to VPN and KYC, definitely check out BitUnix. Links down below. Also in that link, there is a tutorial video down there also for both exchanges. So check that out if you haven't. And let's take a look at what's going on. So you guys know my target's still around here to 66.8 to 69.9, depending on what happens here, right? But yesterday, if you watched the video, and this is why I re-entered shorts, I talked about possibly moving my stops. But with the way the FOMC meeting was going, I did not touch my stops. I let it get stopped out at 86. But I still was watching it closely. As I posted in my Discord, right when I got stopped out, I posted in there and told them I would be looking to ladder in more shorts, which I did, and I just showed you that. But what I was watching is the reaction off of this trend at the 86.9 range. It got a wick up, came back down. That's when I started getting back in. Once I seen this start to wick out and get back below this, that's where I decided to get back into my trades. So we'll keep an eye on this. Remember, if I get stopped out, I'll be at like a $200 profit, and then I'll be looking to get in. So if it does break out and break to the upside, my next targets for shorts are 89 and 91. If those are broken, your highest point is right here about 96.7. But as of right now, like I said, I think it's still just playing out the same, right? If we take let's take the trend line from here to here, from this high to this high. Down here is higher highs. Right here, it is lower highs. That's hidden bearish divergence, guys. Be careful. Now, the bullish part, if you want to stay bullish here, the price has to keep opening and closing above on the 4 hour, above the 4 hour or the 8 EMA, and that's about 85.2. So that's where you want to watch. Now let's take a look at the macro. So the macro, we're still broken our parabola, right? We came back up to test it if this is correct. Remember, I could bring this parabola down and we could be right here and just ranging in between the EMAs. So that's a possibility. But as of right now, it looks like it is getting rejected here. I showed you guys the huge hidden bearish divergence here. And a lot of people are talking about the bullish divergence here, right? You're getting lower lows. You got just a slightly lower low here than you did over here, right? That's hidden bullish. But if you look over here, we did the same thing right here on the second, after the second peak, we did the same thing right here, right? And now all that was this relief rally, which we could be seeing now, and then a continuation down. So be careful, be cautious. And Solana, same thing, guys. Looks like it's still just bear flagging out. You guys know my target down here around 27 because of the break of this channel. Unless we get back in the channel, I see us going way, way down. XRP. So XRP, obviously with the news yesterday, the FOMC meeting, the markets pumped, so it made it look like the SEC news, like we knew about it for a long time, right? They were dropping the charges. Guys, the SEC didn't have lawsuits on anybody else, just XRP, right? So it really didn't freaking matter because other coins should have pumped like crazy because the SEC wasn't after them, right? But anyways, this thing is the biggest pump and dump coin in the ever, right? That's all it does. It pumps on huge news, right? And it uses every bit of news to look like its advantage. And when the markets are about to pump, it's always got some news. So it makes it look like that's why it's pumping. Anyways, so its support right now is about this $2.43. If it goes down below this, then you're looking at about 221. After that, you're looking at about 161, and then all the way down to crying XRP holders. All right, so let's take a look at ADA, Cardano. Same thing, looks like it's flagging out. Unless it breaks the 77 range, then we could be popping up. Let's move this down now. Unless we get back above this channel, I'm still bearish on Cardano, obviously. It's looking like we could get down to this 31 still. Not going to happen in a day, guys. You can see how long this is flagging out. We could have a couple more of these all the way down. Ethereum got a pump with the market yesterday. Woo! Up to the 2074. And as you can see, the candle is red. Our target is still 1500 right here, unless you can break above this resistance at 2250. Litecoin staying above its support here. But remember, once we lose this support, next target's going to be around the 73 to 75 range. Once that breaks, looking for 55-ish, right? And if that breaks, much, much lower. Tesla, let's take a quick look at Tesla. Tesla is still same thing, just flagging out. It got a little pump into the 8 EMA yesterday. Nothing to write home about. Yeah, still have hidden bearish divergence here too. Our next target for Tesla is about 151. Once that breaks, we're looking at about 106. And guys, again, this ain't gonna happen in a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, guys, smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the video. Share the video if you would. And if you want to keep up with my trades, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tick your notification bell. That'll get you notified when I post new videos. Join the Discord below. Totally free. I do post when I'm trading in there, what my trades are, this and that. So again, guys, I appreciate it. Sorry about the quick unannounced morning video. Normally they're lives about 15 minutes before market opens. So if you like that kind of stuff, again, make sure you subscribe. Tick your notification bell, get you notified when I post new videos. Thanks a lot, guys. I will catch you tomorrow.